Hello once again and welcome to this course. Today's topic will be dictionaries, which will be our last topic of this first part of this course, Python course, basic Python course, which this will be our last part of it. So after this, I'll be uploading more videos about the advanced Python. So please join me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so that the advanced part you don't miss the advanced part. So thank you and let's go. So what is a dictionary? In Python, a dictionary is a data structure which contains data in the form of pairs, which are keys and value pairs. A key and value pair forms an item in the dictionary. A key is usually a string. So let's go on. Let's create a dictionary. So items in a dictionary are separated by a comma. The last item does not have a trailing comma. Key and values are separated by a colon. We are going to see how that works in a short bit. So items in a dictionary are enclosed in curly brackets. So to create a dictionary, let's say a dictionary called dictionary1, which will be equal. So we open curly brackets. So our key will be the name. Let's say name, just like dictionaries which have the name of what you are searching for and the definition. So is the same in this Python dictionary. So name, then let's say also dictionaries hold different types of data. So from Python 3.6, dictionaries are ordered data types. So before that, dictionaries were unordered. So you learn about, I'll teach you in my advanced Python what ordered and unordered means, but for now just know from Python 3.6 dictionaries are ordered. So let's continue. Let's say our name, let's say Marvin, right? Then my age, my age, 100. Then you see, if you need to, at the end of this, you need to write a comma. Without the comma, you'll get errors. So the last item does not need to have a comma. So my last item here will be my hobby. What is hobby? So my hobby is coding. Yeah. So this last item does not need to have a comma, but you can also keep a comma if you want. So it's optional. So to access data from a dictionary, we just, let's say, print dictionary 1. When you do this, you can see this is my dictionary, name, age, and hobby. But you can also access data at a specified key using a specified key. So let's say print dictionary 1, let's say my age. So my age, sorry, I need to put this in quotes. So my age. So when I run this, you can see my age is 100. Gandalf's age maybe, but yeah. So you can access data using a specified key. So I just write dictionary, and inside the square bracket you write your key inside the quotes. So that's it for accessing data. So items are not in order. This is because dictionaries are considered unordered from, as I told you, from 3.6, from 3.5 and below. versions of Python, dictionaries were considered unordered, but from 3.6 and above, dictionaries are ordered. If we try to access a key which is not present in the dictionary, we'll encounter an error. So let me say, I want to access here. Error, key error. This key does not exist, so it will cause an error. You go back. So updating data in a dictionary. So how do we update data in a dictionary? We can add a new key value pair or update an existing one. So to update, we need to first access the item and then assign a new value to it. Let's say in my dictionary, let me say dictionary 1. I'm just going to delete this. So dictionary 1 is my key. My key is my key is name. So I want to update the data at name. So name will be equals to Congo. So I want it to update my name. So when we run this, you can see my name has changed from Marvin to Congo. Yeah. So that's it. How to update, or you can add a new let's say a new key and its value inside this dictionary. So let's say last name. So when we run this, you can see it has added the last name at the end of the dictionary. So my first name is Marvin. Let me call this first name. So when we run this, so when we run this, you can see my first name is Marvin and my last name is Congo. Yeah. So that's how you can update a list. You can add a new key value pair into the list. So let's go to our next. To add a new key value here, as you have seen, I've just added a new key value pair. To add a new key value pair to the dictionary, we can use a key which is not present in the dictionary and assign a value to it, as you have just seen. So that's it. Then let's go to our next function, which is deleting data in a dictionary. This is very easy. You just use the delete keyword. So delete from dictionary 1. So and the key, let me say first name. Let me delete the first name. So, and when you print this, let me say print the dictionary 1. When you run this, you can see that my first name, or the first name in the dictionary, has been deleted. So you can also use the clearing instead of deleting. You can also just remove all the items and empty the dictionary. To do so, we use the clear function. So instead of deleting, you can change this to clear. You can move this and write dictionary 1.clear. See, when we run this, you see we get an empty dictionary. So this will remove all the items from the dictionary. If we print this, we get an empty dictionary as output. So you can see this print dictionary, print an empty list, but also this first. to this. See? So you can see I just cleared everything, so our dictionary is very empty. So that's the end of this first course. It has been very easy, very precise. So please join me in my next course, which is the Advanced Python, where I'll be teaching you list. I'll be showing you that copying a list, you cannot write you cannot write another name of the list, and you cannot copy using another variable name, a list. So you cannot copy a list using another variable name. I'll show you how that works in my next advanced Python course. Also, I will show you how to iterate through lists. I will show you more about Python. This is just the basic information about Python, or the basic course about Python, so that you understand how to work with Python. So my next course, I'll be going deeper into Python. Please join me. So that's it for now. Thank you.